So the answer in the back of the book or online is incorrect. And so I just wanted to go through 51D for you. I believe it's correct for A, B, and C, but D was incorrect. So I just wanted to clear that up. So if we're looking at nitrogen and looking at the orbital diagram for nitrogen, nitrogen has 7 electrons. And so it'll have an electron configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So we need to represent those orbitals. And so here's the 1s orbital. I'm going to represent it as a line instead of a box, and it'll have 2 electrons in it. And then the 2s orbital will have 2 electrons in it. Now, the 2p sublevel has 3 orbitals, so I'm going to make 3 lines. And according to Hund's rule, each of those orbitals has to have 1 electron before any of them can have 2. So here's the 2p. So Hund's rule says you got to have 1 there, and 1 there, and 1 there before any of them can have 2. So that's the correct answer. There are 3 unpaired electrons here. And so those unpaired electrons are there in the p sublevel. To Hunt,